good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from BBL Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, I can understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to work in Malaysia, ma'am, 100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am, I have one cousin there, ma'am.
Do you know which place she was designated?
I don't know, ma'am, where's this place, ma'am.
Okay, remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your cousins or your
Yes,
friends,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am, I don't have tattoos in my skin, ma'am.
All right. Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. I don't have issue in my body, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am, this is my first time working abroad, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I am single, ma'am. I am a single mom. I want to give my son a future life in education, mom.
All right. Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Maybe Malaysia is, I have relatives there, and maybe I can help me if there rather than have something, mom.
Okay, so do you think what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Uh, uh, the first one is hardworking, honest, and then you need to listen to your employer and do your job well.
All right. What is your name?
My name is Gladys Galva.
How old are you?
36 years old.
So you are a single mother, correct?
Yes, mom, I'm single mom.
How many children do you have?
What is it? What, mom?
How many children do you have?
I have one son, mom.
How old?
He is 15 years old, mom.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is November 17, 1989, mom.
What is your height and your weight?
My height, mom, is 5 flat, and my weight, mom, is 53.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic, mom.
What about your educational background? What is your educational background?
Wala.
Right. So, what is your educational background?
My background is, mom, I currently employed more than 6 years
No,
here in
ate, what
Philippines.
is your educational background? Elementary
My,
graduate, high school graduate?
sorry, mom. I'm high school graduate, mom.
Okay. So, who will going to look after your child once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister, mom.
Your sister. How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
My sister is 40 years old, mom. She is a housewife, mom.
All right. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one sister and I have one brother, mom.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the middle mom.
All right. So, what about your mother and your father?
My mother already died. My father is already died also, mom.
All right. So, in which part of the Philippines you have your working experience as a housemaid?
Here in the here in Philippines or in the La Union, mom.
Okay. How many years you work there?
It's already almost 6 years and 5 months, mom.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I'm still working for them, mom.
Oh, you're still working. What year did you started?
2019, mom.
Until
I
recently,
started.
is it?
Yes, mom. Until
Okay.
today.
So, what is your job there?
Uh, household chores, mom, and mainly taking care of child, mom.
So, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How
I do
many
that one.
how many children you take care inside the house?
I have four, mom.
How old are
One,
those children?
the first children is 15 years old, mom. And the second children is 6 years old, mom. And the mother, mom, is 40 years old. And the father is 40 years old also, mom.
Also, two children only inside the house, 15 and 6 years
Yes,
old,
mom.
correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Total
mom.
family members, four members, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have four
All right.
members, mom.
So working abroad is not that so easy, ate. This is a very tough one. You need to
Yes,
expect
ma'am.
those unexpected because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Houses here
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very big. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready for any task, ma'am.
Can you
To
take
go
your
abroad, ma'am.
children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I can, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I'm comfortable to taking pet, ma'am.
So this is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And this is a strictly no go out policy. Once you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay for that rules, ma'am.
If you don't like our rules and regulations, please don't come here. Stay in the Philippines. You have a lot of choices. You can find other opportunities into other countries. Just don't give us problem once you come to work here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children or for your child knowing that you are a single mother. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad and frequently homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna deal with it?
I just focus to my job, ma'am.
Focus to your job and then
Then I just do my best to work there, ma'am.
I think that's all for now, Gladys. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.